the very basic thing you need to start a detox with is basic, okay, is the Fabulous 5. Why? Because it has herbs that cover the kidneys, adrenals, lymph system, stomach and bowels, and endocrine glands. So that's the base. And then we're going to use a kidney tea always. Kidney tea, because we need to get kidney filtration. That's the bare minimum I suggest everyone use. Right now, if you want to get it, the link is on my profile, so you can grab it. Like, make a tea and drink. You see my tea here? I'm always drinking tea. And here is this: when you put the herbs in the water, let's say you drink 2 liters of water, and why not put the herbs in them and drink it? Because when you put the herbs in the water, you are energizing the water. You are electrifying the water. Okay, that's what it is. These things have antioxidants, minerals, vitamins in there. So if you're going to have 2 liters of water, why not have a tea? This is not artificial tea. It's not a chemical tea. This is herbs that are there to help you. So make a big, large pot of kidney tea and drink it all day. Drink it like, make sure you drink it all day. Like, you make 2 liters of water, say, I'm drinking this the whole day. And not only are you getting the hydration, but you're also getting the benefits of the herbs.